When people think of wildlife destinations in India, they often imagine dense forests, roaring tigers, or misty mountains. But hidden in the heart of Gujarat lies a vast, open, silent, and surprisingly alive landscape. Welcome to the Wildass Sanctuary, one of India's most unique ecosystems. Spread across the little Rann of Kutch, this extraordinary sanctuary protects not only the last population of Indian wildass, but also a rich collection of birds, mammals, reptiles, and life forms that have adapted to survive in one of the harshest environments. Today, we journey across salt flats, grasslands, and islands of life to discover the incredible wildlife of the Wildass Sanctuary. So let's begin. At first glance, this landscape appears empty. No forests, no rivers, no thick vegetation. Only endless stretches of cracked earth and shimmering horizons. But that's exactly what makes this place special. The Wildass Sanctuary covers nearly 5,000 square kilometers in Gujarat and is known for its unusual geography. During monsoon, much of the region floods, but as water disappears, vast salt deserts emerge. Scattered across this salty terrain are raised islands called beds. These islands become refuges for wildlife, and that's where our safari begins. And there they are, the star of the sanctuary, the Indian wildass. Strong, elegant, and built for speed, the rulers of this landscape. This animal is found almost nowhere else in the world. Despite the name, wildasses are not stubborn farm animals. They are powerful, wild equids capable of reaching incredible speeds across open land. Watch their alert ears, notice their muscular build. These animals survive extreme heat and long dry periods. They travel great distances searching for food and water. During the cooler hours, herds can be seen grazing peacefully. But the moment danger appears, they explode into action. This speed is their greatest defense. Once close to extinction, conservation efforts helped bring their population back. Today, the sanctuary stands as an inspiring conservation success story. But the sanctuary is far more than just wild asses. Life here survives in unexpected forms. Among the grasslands lives the most powerful and graceful golden jackal, Indian wolf, jungle cat, and the most rare striped hyena. This sanctuary is a magical place to visit. It has a great bird life Thousands upon thousands of birds arrive here, especially during winter. Temporary wetlands become feeding grounds for migrants. Look at the elegance of flamingos, groups moving together like living artwork, their pink color reflecting in shallow water. These elegant birds spend hours filtering tiny organisms from the water using their specially adapted beaks. Watching a flock of flamingo take flight is one of the most unforgettable moments of any visit to the sanctuary. Flamingos are one of the most beautiful sights in Little Rann of Kutch. Every winter, large flocks arrive at this vast salt marsh wetland landscape, turning parts of the run pink. But the story becomes even more fascinating during migration. Every year, thousands of birds travel to reach these wetlands. Some come from Central Asia and colder northern regions. For them, the Wildass sanctuary offers food, warmth, and safe resting grounds. Species like cranes, ducks, and various waders arrive in impressive numbers. The sanctuary becomes a living crossroads of international migration routes. Sharing these waters are the majestic pelicans, large, graceful, and powerful. Pelicans move across the wetlands in groups while searching for fish. Nearby flocks of storks and ibises slowly walk through shallow water, carefully hunting for food. Some of these birds have traveled farther than most humans ever will. Thousands of kilometers, crossing mountains, crossing deserts, following ancient migration routes, year after year, generation after generation. For migratory birds, this sanctuary is more than a destination. It is a survival. Along the muddy edges, smaller birds begin their work. Waders search constantly. Every movement is calculated. Every second matters. A missed opportunity may mean less energy for migration. Yet somehow, amid constant movement, there is harmony. Not all the stars are large and dramatic. Small birds bring life to the landscape too. Larks, bee-eaters, warblers, wagtails, and chats move quietly among the vegetation. Each species contributes to the rich biodiversity of this unusual habitat. Though easy to overlook, they perform essential work, controlling insects, spreading seeds, supporting the food web. Above the wetlands, another world exists, birds of prey. silent, observant, powerful. Eagles patrol from above. Harriers sweep low across open ground. Their presence tells an important story. Healthy predators mean healthy ecosystems. The Wildass sanctuary may not have roaring tigers or dense jungles, but it offers something equally powerful: space, freedom, adaptation, and a reminder that life can flourish even in the toughest environments. If this journey inspired you, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get the notifications for my future videos. Tell us in the comments which animal surprised you the most. And until next time, keep exploring, keep respecting wildlife, and keep discovering the wild.